Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pooja. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about the best time of your menstrual cycle to get pregnant. Before we move on to that topic, we will discuss two very important concepts, and they are the fertilizable lifespan of a sperm and an ovum. We will first start with the sperm. Sperms are the male eggs. In semen, the sperms are present all the time, on any day of the month or at any time of the day. Millions of sperms are present in the semen. But the important part is, once these sperms enter the vagina after the sexual intercourse, the fertilizable lifespan of the sperms is only 48 to 72 hours after that. After this time, most of the sperms die, and the ones which survive will lose the ability to fertilize. Now we will talk about the ovum. An ovum is a female egg. As we saw that millions of sperms are present in the semen all the time, this is not the case with the ovum. Every month in a female, only one ovum is produced. Rarely, two ova may be produced, but usually only one ovum is produced. During the first half of the menstrual cycle, a follicle grows, matures, and then ruptures. And after that, the ovum is released and is ready for fertilization. This is called ovulation. After ovulation, the lifespan of the ovum is only 12 to 24 hours. And this is the second most important part. After 24 hours, the ovum dies. Now we will come to the main topic of our discussion, the best time to get pregnant. As we saw, the lifespan of the ovum is only 24 hours. To get pregnant, it is a must to have a sexual intercourse around 24 hours of ovulation. Then only fertilization will occur and the lady will get pregnant. After one period till next period, no matter how many times the sexual intercourse occurs, but if it does not occur around 24 hours of fertilization, the chances of pregnancy will reduce considerably. Now we will see how to find out the day of ovulation. It is just a guess, and the calculations will help more to those who have regular periods. Ideally, a menstrual cycle is of 28 days, and we count first day of the period as first day of the cycle. We will try to understand with the help of an example. Mrs. XYZ got her periods on 1st of June. That means 1st of June was the first day of her cycle. Her cycle is of 28 days. So, she will get her next periods on 29th of June. To calculate the day of ovulation, we have to minus 12 to 14 days from the day of our next expected periods. So, if we minus 12 to 14 days from 29th June, that is, if we go backwards for 12 to 14 days from 29th of June, we will get 16th to 18th June. That means there are maximum chances of ovulation during these 2 to 3 days. And if sexual intercourse occurs during these 2 to 3 days, the chances of pregnancy will be high. These calculations will help more to those who have a cycle of 28 to 35 days and whose cycle is regular. So we will try to make a formula for the date of ovulation. Date of ovulation is equal to expected date of our next periods minus 12 to 14 days. These are just guesses. Our body is not like mathematics. So we can just guess the date of ovulation. But to increase the chances of pregnancy, we can follow one trick. And the trick is to have regular sexual intercourse. For 10 to 12 days, from day 8 to day 10 of your periods, if you can try to have regular sexual intercourse, it will increase the chances of pregnancy a lot. I hope those couples who are newly married and are eager to have a baby, as well as those couples who haven't tried yet but are willing to conceive now, will be benefited from this information. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned.